Every unity is not only one level. When we speak about the unity of Zir and Pin and Nukba, it cannot be just Zir and Pin and Nukba, because for the unity of Zir and Pin and Nukba, by definition, they need to receive abundance that will come from the higher level above them, Abba and Ima, or Srasa and Tuna. And for that abundance to come, so have to be unity in that higher level. And for the unity of that higher level, they need also to get abundance from the higher level above them, and so on and so forth. So every unity, by definition, have to be also with all the levels above it. And that's what it says in the Rashash, and also many other sources, but I have it very clear from the Rashash that when we are doing our work of tikkun of Zir and Pin Nukba, which is the focus of our service to Hashem, by definition, we have to do the tikkun of all what's below it and all what's above it, because it goes together. To get to like one part that will be fully fixed, it had to be that it will be with all of the levels, right? That it will connect to that, right? You can't have like a good apple that is in a box of rotten apples. You have to make sure that everything is fixed, otherwise it's not working, right? So we need to focus on ourselves first, and then on our surrounding, and then so on and so forth. But you cannot fix yourself when you are in a surrounding that is not right, and you cannot make the surrounding that will be right and so on and so forth. And so, by definition, we have to take the responsibility for the tikkun of the all of the world and the whole worlds up and above, right? So obviously it's a big responsibility, it's a big call, but it's not lo alecha malecha igmor. It's not for us to finish with it. We need to do whatever it is that we are able to do, and Hashem is taking care of the rest. So, B'ezrat Hashem, we do whatever we can do, and we trust Hashem that He will, Hashem igmor badi. Hashem will finish the work for us. But Hashem wants to see us that we do whatever we can do. B'ezrat Hashem. Baruch Adonai L'olam, Amen.